So one of your apps on iPhone is currently stuck on waiting and for whatever reason it won't download. So if I go over to here, right, what you will notice is that Grand Theft Auto Vice City mobile version is currently stuck on waiting. Now this could be many different reasons for this happening, and one of the most common ones is that the when you try to download the app, the connection was unstable, not allowing the iPhone to be able to fully download it, which will mean it will go into sort of a standby mode and be stuck on waiting until you initiate the download again. So to do this, what we need to do is click on the app here, and then all you need to do is select later on Wi-Fi, or if you are happy to download it on a mobile data plan, what you can do is click on the download button, and then this will then be able, and what this will do is it will start downloading. So if you click on download, as you can see, it will then start downloading. And of course, GTA Vice City is quite a large download, so it will take quite a lot of time to download. But you can do this on Wi-Fi and both mobile data network if you are happy to download it on mobile data. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix this. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.